You didn't lose that job because you weren't qualified. You lost it to a machine that didn't sleep, didn't ask for a raise, and didn't make mistakes. Right now, while you're watching this, AI is quietly taking over industries. Not with fanfare, not with explosions, but with quiet efficiency that most people don't even notice until it's too late. And this video? It's your warning shot. Because in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how artificial intelligence is replacing humans, job by job, industry by industry, and what you can actually do to survive it. Let's start with the truth. AI doesn't need to be perfect to replace you. It just needs to be cheaper, faster, and good enough. And that's already happening in ways no one expected. Let's look at the obvious ones first. Customer service, data entry, and support roles. AI chatbots like GPT-4 Turbo and Claude 3 are already fielding customer requests for massive companies. They don't just answer questions. They handle complaints. They refund orders. They even upsell products, better than most human reps. A single AI can replace dozens of call center agents. No breaks, no sick days, no HR issues. So companies cut costs. And workers, they disappear. But that's just the beginning. In legal, junior paralegals and legal researchers are getting replaced by tools like Harvey AI. It can analyze thousands of documents, flag legal risks, and summarize arguments in seconds. Law firms are already laying off entry-level legal staff, not because they're bad, but because they're no longer needed. In medicine, AI is outperforming radiologists at detecting cancers in scans. It's flagging drug interactions faster than pharmacists. It's giving real-time recommendations to doctors in surgery. And here's the scary part. It's doing all of this quietly, behind the scenes. Patients often don't even know AI was involved. Even creative industries aren't safe. Copywriters, video editors, voice actors, artists. AI tools can now generate ad copy, logos, product designs, even full video edits, all in minutes. One prompt, one click, one paycheck saved. And companies are noticing. Some marketing agencies now run full campaigns with fewer than 5 people, because the rest is AI. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what about jobs that need emotional intelligence or physical labor? Here's where it gets wild. AI is learning emotion, not in a human sense, but close enough to fake it. Tools like Hume and Synthesia can detect emotion in your voice, respond with empathy, and even speak in lifelike tones with perfect pacing. People are using these systems for therapy bots, emotional coaching, even sales calls. And physical jobs? Boston Dynamics, Tesla, and Sanctuary AI are building humanoid robots powered by AI brains. Warehouse work, construction, delivery. They're already testing AI robots side by side with humans, and in some cases, the robots are winning. So what's left? That's the question haunting economists. If AI can think, feel, and move, where do humans still have the edge? Let me break it down. There are 3 types of jobs AI can't take, yet. Human trust roles. Positions where people require human connection. Therapists, social workers, spiritual leaders. Abstract creativity. Not just generating images or words, but creating movements. Visionary leadership. Cultural storytelling. Physical dexterity in unpredictable environments. Think plumbers, electricians, emergency responders. But even those are under threat as AI evolves. And here's the twist. Most people won't even see it coming. Because AI won't replace your job all at once. It will replace one task, then another, until you're just overseeing the AI that now does 90% of what you used to do. This is called task-based automation, and it's already how companies restructure departments. So what do? Adapt. Fast. Here's how to future-proof your income in an AI-driven world. Learn to work with AI. Prompting, testing, validating. Don't fight it, master it. Go where AI struggles. Jobs that rely on empathy, ethics, and nuance are still human-dominated, for now. Build a personal brand. In a sea of automation, being known is the ultimate defense. AI can't replace your story. Create your own leverage. Start a YouTube channel, a newsletter, a niche product. Let AI be your team, not your replacement. Let me give you an example. A graphic designer I know went from fearing AI to using it as her assistant. She now completes projects in half the time, charges more, and teaches others how to do the same. AI didn't replace her. It amplified her. That's the key difference. You either compete with AI or you command it. And one last truth, governments aren't going to save you. There will be delays, debates, maybe some policies. But by the time regulations pass, millions of jobs will already be gone. So your future? It's not in a law. It's in how you react right now. This isn't doom and gloom. This is your moment to evolve. Because AI isn't coming. It's already here. And if you want to be more than a spectator in the future of work, you've got to move. Now, subscribe for weekly deep dives into the AI revolution, real-world tools, and how to stay one step ahead. And let me know in the comments, is your job safe from AI or already under threat?